Hey Jacob, yeah, I'm real close, mate. I'm doing my daily game, hoping that we can get a little bit closer. It's telling me there's no one watching though, which is real weird. Oh, Shrade, thanks for coming in too, man. I had a pretty shitty night last night, and I pushed myself a little bit away from where I wanted to be. So I think I'm like 3 games away now. I gotta try hard on the drone control. We're proxy hatching, alright? Proxy hatch to masters, mate. We never cheesed. Wow. I mean, I never used to, but I'm so close now, and I am actually so fucking tired of playing a full ZVT. He hasn't reacted yet, so it's got me a bit panicked. Oh no, we got the... I'm honestly just sick of Terrans playing the game. Oh. So what we want to wait for this. And then we're just going to go in. Dude, get up, move, move, move. Hey. Alright, working like a charm. Here we go. Ah. Oh, an extra coin. We're slowly getting better at it, I think. Slowly getting better at it. Another proxy. Another day, another proxy. 2 games away. Nah, you know what? I'm not going to go straight away. I'm going to... Because I'm not going to get him again, surely. Like, I'm not going to get... If I get him again, if I play him again, I'm not going to be able to pull it off again, right? I just need 2 more. Just having some coffee. How you going, Jacob? 12 pool is so good versus Protoss. Oh, I hate this dude. I gotta stop playing when this guy's on because I don't think I've beaten him once. Hey, he's fine. He needs to leave some games. His MMR's too high. Hell yeah. That's gonna feel a bit hollow though. Oh, it's a Zerg. I thought it was a Terran. Never mind. Even a Diamond 1. Even a Diamond 1 people are smurfing, man. It's so sad. 1%. Dude's real bad at ZVZ. He's got no confidence. Wow, he's even leaving ZVTs. Did he lose? Yeah, he lost to him the game before, so he just loses. He just leaves. Toma Bowls. Team Bowls? Alright. Let's hope this is the Protoss that doesn't know how to deal with a wall. Oh no! We're nervous. We're nervous. We just need to execute, guys. Let's go. Again, we want to see... we're not probably going to see it with the Overlord, but I would like to see when the probe comes to say hi, to try and block, because sometimes it can buy us just a couple of seconds. No, he's not buying it. No scout. Interesting. I think that's problematically late, right? Surely. Double gateway. Oh, that's very early. That's a very early pull. Oh, wow. Oh, no. Hey, mate. Oh, 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 oh. That's got me worried a little bit. How's that not? What are you doing? He's probably just going to go charge locks or something. This is clever. He knows he needs to keep me at home, so... Oh! Dude, are you serious? Oh, dude, I don't really not make any fucking. Ah, really? Alright. Fuck! Yeah, like I didn't expect him to just hold that by just moving across the map and then sitting on my fucking side of the boat. I've never seen that before. I've legitimately never seen that before. he he did a textbook. He just pulled everything. He knew that they were super committed by me, and if he just pulls everything, I've given away way too much. Is it Protoss as well? Fuck. What a wasted opportunity. Is proper cooked a technical term? I feel like it could be, right? That's a hard wall. Bro! Oh, dude. Oh, no, that's a real fucking shame. Alright, we're in trouble now. Oh, dude, why are you going there? Oh, we had 2 gas. Go, Queenies! No, get away, get away, get away. Oh, Jesus Christ. Fuck. No good. It's a freebie. We're gonna dance this border a little bit today, I think. Oh no, he doesn't like ZVT. Or TVT. Oh, we're slowly losing it. Can we get a ZVZ? This guy's gonna leave. That's not gonna be enough though, is it? One more. I think if I get him again, that's gonna take a lot of the oomph out of it. Hey. Ling flooding. For sure. Let's go. Let's go. We got this. We got this one. We need 10 MMR. We need half a win. Let's go. That's not as early as a pool as I'd like. So if he's going to Ling flood me, might be a bit of grief here. Hopefully it buys me some extra income. Z? Yeah, Z. What's going on? Where's his second overlord? Let's go. We'll kill him before then, surely. Master!
Did you get it?
I think I'm about to.
Oh.
Woo! Masters! I think. Unless for some reason I don't get enough MMR. Oh, so he took a third. No wonder.
Will it come up on your screen?
It will. Hey! Woo! Look at that. How sick's that?
Yay!
Woo woo! Now I can officially say, as a Masters Zerg. Hey! Hey! Oh. Now the pressure's off. Woo! Oh, no, I can't do that. Why do you want to go to bed so early?
Because I have to get up at 5:30.
Oh. That seems like a you.
It does seem like a me problem.
Oh. Good stuff. I'm not as I don't feel like this may sound egotistical, but I'm not as like moved by it because I feel like I deserve it. I'm like, you know what? I earned this. I earned this. It just took a little longer than I wanted it to be.
Did you talk about this moment in our wedding vows?
No, that was Diamond 1. And I got Diamond 1 ages ago. I got Diamond 1 like later that year or something.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I've been Diamond 1 for ages. Real guy. Now I get the fancy MMR title. I don't know. I have no idea. I think all that happens now is I can tell people that I'm masters. That's it.
Is there like a limited number of spots or something?
Nah, only when you get to GM, and I'm not getting to GM. That's too much.
Oh, they're different.
What? Sorry?
I thought
No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, my sweet summer child.
Well, congratulations.
Oh, thank you. So from the last game, I figured out that I don't really need to get onto gas straight away. So I reckon that might be enough. Dun, 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 dun. Him there. This one here. I still suck at ZVT, so... Oh, we've got 3 lava already. I don't want to squeeze another one in. Oops. Too much. What's he doing? What the fuck? Oh, he's Ling flooding hard. I think I've got this. Drones or not. Yeah, he's flooding me. So again, we want to go over the cliff, right? Because if the queen wants to chase this, has to go all the way around here, all the way around here. That gives us a huge advantage. No, we're not rallying across just yet. This last round of Lings is going to be fucking huge. Let's go. So he's flooding me too. If he's got Ling, Bane, we are in trouble. Fingers crossed he doesn't. Oh. Sure, that's a fucking... That's GG, right? Yeah. Sorry, mate. What was he doing? No wall, just like 3 fucking queens. What I did like though, that fucking shutdown in the early Lings was huge. Like, yeah, he probably traded well, but at the end of the day, he didn't keep me away from mining. I'm still like, I'm behind on workers, but he didn't macro at all fucking during this. Like, why are you not just building shit? What are you actually, yeah, what are you actually doing? I get that you want to watch this. With 2 lava. Build drones. Build drones. Inject. And that delays the next inject as well, right? So this inject now is like 15 seconds long, 15 seconds late because of that. He's got good vision. I legitimately don't think He didn't even react. He didn't even see it. He has no idea this is coming. How the queens get away with this is insane to me. You've got to have a little bit of map vision. That's wild that I can get 18 MMR from someone that doesn't know how to look at the map. Alright. We got the promo. I'm going to stop the recording and I might do one more cheeky one. And that's going to be it. So thank you for joining me if you did. Yeah, we got it, dude. We got Masters. We got it.